Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to import a file into Power BI when you're accessing Power BI through remote desktop. All right, so if you go to our Canvas page, I'm going to download the raw data file. So I'm going to click download. It's an Excel file, so we'll bring Excel into Power BI, and the Excel works well with Power BI because it is a Microsoft product. So I'm going to save the file. All right, so now I have the file downloaded. It looks like it worked. I'm going to close out of my browser here. I'm now going to connect to my remote desktop. All right, so they're refreshing our feed. All right, so it looks like we're connected. I'm going to double click Power BI, open Power BI up. All right, so now I am in Power BI, and so I want to import data from Excel. All right, here's the trick. So we're connected to a remote computer, and you can see I tested this already, but basically the way I did this was I said, take the file off of my computer. So I'm going to just copy this file, right? And then I'm going to, in this window here, in the Power BI remote desktop window, I am going to just paste. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. And what you're doing is you're transferring or uploading that Excel file into that remote computer so that you have access to it. All right. So now it's on the desktop on the remote computer. I'm going to click open up. All right. So we can see the two sheets that are in that Excel file. We have the 360 data. We have the zip code data. So it looks like we're good to go. And so you can take it from here, and that's it. So hopefully this video helps you get your data into Power BI that you're accessing on the remote desktop. All right, take care. I will see you soon.